Hello YouTubers, Rob Johnson's Loft Layout here. Just a quick video to give you a comparison in sounds. My Class 37 there was a standard Hornby TTS and I actually blew the speaker on it. So I went to Maplin's and bought a £6 speaker and put it in. The Class 47 is still the standard Hornby speaker. Have a listen to this. That sounds okay, doesn't it? Yeah, sounds fine. Have a listen to the Class 37. Ready? Let that stop. Wow! They're both at the same settings. Now that's it at the furthest point of my layout. That's loud, isn't it? I may have to turn that down a little bit. I've got sore ears now. There you go, that's just a quickie for you. I'll speak to you later everybody. Bye.